that right there appears to be a small problem.
Accurate description of Saturday morning. That's awesome.
Oh no.
Yeah, not exactly supposed to do that. It's supposed to be like that, not like that.
First gear, bro, not the reverse. And this truck is like, come with me, I need a lawnmower. Get over here.
There we go, nice and tight. Oh.
Alright, so I was told to inspect this Subaru Outback here. 97 Subaru Outback. Okay. Not ever once in my day have I ever seen anything like this. What? What? This is literally how you have to drive this thing. Who would do this? Why would you want to do that? This doesn't look safe at all. What? Oh boy. What? Why would you do that?
Get in the car.
Гараж 54, самая большая дудоня и самая громкая уже на канале. Всем рекомендую перейти посмотреть на основной канал. Ну просто вы посмотрите, какая же она огромная. Там просто можно жить, друзья. Не, ну по-моему интересно получилось. Зайдите, зацените, как это звучит и как это ездит. По-моему вообще круто.
I don't care how ugly it is, how much of a project it is, or whether or not it runs. I just want to see the For You page just flooded with people's projects in the works.